Now we are going to do two experiments. One is testing for sulfate anion, and another one is testing sulfite anion. Those two are, I'm going to use sodium sulfate for sulfate anion, and sulfite I'll be using sodium sulfite. First is sulfate. For the test of sulfate, this is the sheet which says the test for anions, and there it is written the sulfate should be tested after taking the sulfate in solution, which I'm taking 1 centimeter cube, another 1 more centimeter cube, 2 centimeter cube of sulfate solution. Then acidify and add barium nitrate. When they say add barium nitrate, I should acidify. They didn't specify which acid to use for acidify. Since it is barium nitrate, the reagent, we are expected to add nitric acid. Not hydrochloric acid, not sulfuric acid. It should contain the common ion. So I'm using nitric acid for acidify. 1 centimeter cube is quite good enough. I add 1 centimeter cube of nitric acid followed by barium nitrate. You can see the precipitate formed. It's a thick white precipitate of barium sulfate formed. That's a test for sulfate anion. Now the next is the test for sulfite anion. Sulfite is SO3 2 minus. So I'm taking some solid sulfite, which is sodium sulfite. Then I add dilute hydrochloric acid. They specifically said, this is the instruction from the Cambridge, and they said dilute hydrochloric acid you should add. And when I take dilute hydrochloric acid, then I add dilute hydrochloric acid into the sulfite. I don't see any bubbles. We are expecting sulfur dioxide to be formed. Maximum 2 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube to 2 centimeter cube will be good enough. Shake it, and slight heating also is welcome, because the reaction should be taking place and sulfur dioxide should be formed. Why sulfur dioxide doesn't produce the bubbling appearance or effervescence? Because sulfur dioxide is highly soluble in water. Any gas, if it is soluble in water, it won't produce the bubbling appearance. So it has sulfur dioxide in the solution, which you can confirm by adding acidified potassium manganate solution. Acidified potassium manganate, you can see that it is kept in dark bottle, amber colored bottle, that is to cut off light. I take a small portion of that, a diluted version of acidified potassium permanganate solution or dichromate manganate solution, and when I add drops, you can see the drops are getting decolorized. Potassium manganate 7 is a strong oxidizing agent, and sulfur dioxide is a strong reducing agent. So since there is sulfur dioxide inside, sulfur dioxide will decolorize potassium manganate. Color of the potassium manganate will be decolorized. Alternatingly, you can also do it as dip a filter paper in potassium manganate, then you get filter paper soaked with the potassium manganate having the pale pink color on it, and bring that filter paper on the top of the test tube and slightly heat the test tube so that sulfur dioxide will come out and it will decolorize the filter paper with potassium manganate. So these are the two tests today, sulfate and sulfite. Thank you.